Everybody, back in the shop today. Today's project is going to be a Steve Good project. It's a little small plaque. The Lord is my strength. You can get this pattern off of Steve's website, which is scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com. This particular plaque I'm going to make out of 3/4 inch clear pine. I got the blue tape on it, got the pattern on it, I got the clear packaging tape over the top. Just need to drill the holes. There's 27 interior holes, and we're going to head over to the drill press and get them drilled. Okay, we're at the Scrollsaw here. I like to cut out the smallest of my inside cuts first, then I'll move to the lettering here, then I'll do the cross, and then my last I'll cut out this outside edge of the plaque. And I'm using a number 3 reverse tooth blade here. Okay, I'm on my last edge right here, and then we should have this all cut out. Okay, that is all cut out. We're going to head over to the bench and get this tape off and get this all sanded up. Okay, so the nice thing about using this blue tape is your pattern is going to come off real easy without leaving any residue on. Okay, so sanding's all done. What I did was stained this plaque off camera. I didn't want to have my video so long, so I wiped the stain on this off camera, and then I sprayed it with a clear sealer off camera. Now I used dark walnut here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a dark walnut. You can use any stain you like. Oak looks good, cherry looks good on this. And then when I did stain it, I wiped most of the stain on it, but then I used like a little artist brush here to get into the little letters and the grooves of the project. Works really nice to get in everything because you want to make sure everything is covered real good. So yeah, that turned out really nice. I like it. I made several of these. And like I say, this is a Steve Good Scrollsaw project at scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com. Also, an idea is you don't even have to put a stain on it. You can use this boiled linseed oil. That works really good on pine, walnut, oak. Brings out the grain of the wood and makes it look just real beautiful. Another idea is I took when I took my board and cut it for the size of this plaque, I cut the bottom of the plaque at an 82-degree angle. You can see this plaque, it sits at an angle, and I put it on a base. So if you want to sit this down on something, it'll sit in a little bit of an angle. You can see it sit right there. That works really nice. Just make sure you cut that angle on your plaque before you do any scrollsaw work. So it turned out really good. I like how it turned out. So if you like this video, please subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. I got a lot more videos coming out. And if you got any comments, put them below, because I do answer all the comments when I see them. Give me some tips. I try to keep my videos as short as possible. But yet I want to tell you exactly how I did it so you can make a project just like this. So until then, keep scrolling and